Hey, I'm Sophia and I study mechanical engineering. I'm also a Makerspace Manager and right now I'm doing my master thesis in environmental robotics. In a few lectures they talked about the Shaper Origin. It's a handheld CNC machine and kind of one of a kind. I thought that's really cool, I need to try it. So I made this Brändi Dog game, which is awesome to have now because my flatmates and I love to play it together. The parts perfectly fit together, which would be really difficult to do if you just hand saw it. I could place all the parts however I wanted them, make all the dots in the correct places, and then just carve out all the pieces so they're all perfectly the same. There's two versions. Either you play it with 4 players, or you can add 2 more players by adding these parts, and then they also fit in perfectly. And you have all these holes that have the exact same depth, and it's all just looking very nice in the end. I always loved being in a workshop. My dad has a small workshop at home. Even when I was a kid, he would show me how to build toys or how to build furniture for my dolls. And I'm now really happy that I can still work here while I'm not living at home anymore.